Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm doing this purple eye. I thought I had a bit more to describe it with. I wanted to do this like warm, subtle. Why do I have fluff on me? Please, can I just record one simple intro? Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm doing this purple eye right here. I wanted it to be warm as well, because you know purple's a bit of a cold color, so I wanted it to be warm and summery, and I think it looks really good with the yellow. Yes it does. I don't care what nobody says. Yes it does. It's gonna be very quick. It's literally gonna take you like 5 minutes if you have the right colors with you. So let's get on to it. So the first step was to put some primer on my eyelid so that it's like nice and light. So I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C11. I already put some on there prior, but it has kind of separated and dried in that position. So I'm just adding a little bit just so it's nicely blended out. And the next step was to pick my transition color. I decided to go for an orange, and I'm using this one that I got from Makeup Mania. It's by something on Rouge. I'll leave it in the description, but it's supposed to be a blusher, but I use it as my eyeshadow for a lot of things. I also use it as a blusher, but it mainly plays eyeshadow transition color kind of role. So that's what I use as my transition color, and I wanted to use something that was really orange and really bright, because the palette that I'm going to use is the Mini Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. But my only problem is they have a lot more browns, and I wanted an orange, because in the end, you see this, if this was brown it would have been a bit darker than this, so I wanted it to be a proper orange tone that goes on. Do you see how bright that is? That is perfect. So now we're gonna go into the Mini Masquerade palette. I know guys, I keep using the same palettes, but I have no money. If anybody has any donations, send them to me. These are the moments that you really learn to get creative, because when you have no money, you learn to use exactly what you got to the best of your ability and to its capacity. So we thank God for that, okay? I'm still looking cute with the little that I got, so praise God. I don't know why I got defensive for a second. I don't know. Lord, help me. So going into the Mini Masquerade palette, I'm using this color right here, which is called Zobo. It's like a purpley pink color. So pretty. And this is what I'm going to use to blend the purple with the orange. So that's what's going to go right into the crease. But you want to be careful that you don't blend this color over the orange, because that will ruin everything. And this is what I love. I love doing oranges and purples together. I think they look so good. And then if you haven't guessed already, I used this color here as my lid color. That's called Masquerade. Hope I said that right. Well, I think this is what they call a purple. That's what I'm going with. So that's what I used all over the lid. Yeah, so we're gonna take that pink and we're gonna blend on the line. Okay, so now that we've done that, we're gonna go back into the lower lash line now, and we're gonna use that first orange that we used, and we're gonna go from this corner all the way up until near the tear duct area. And you really wanna pack it on so that the color really shows through, because on me, it doesn't always show. So I have to actually like put it on there with conviction and anger. You can also kind of connect it with the colors on the lid as well, just so it flows on nicely. And then now I'm gonna put that purple that's called Zobo from the Mini Masquerade palette on top of it, but from here till about halfway through the eye. But we don't want to completely cover the orange, because we still want it to show, or there's no point of putting it there. So I'm gonna be careful and just try and keep it as close to the line as possible. For the inner tear duct, I'm gonna put on this color here, which is the lightest one in the palette. It's like a champagne type of color, and it's called Giza. I was gonna go for a gold type of shade, but then I thought, nah, because you could also go for this one here. It's called Dahlia, which I haven't used yet, and I should, but I wanted to go for the Lightest and brightest, honey. Now I'm gonna apply some mascara and apply my lashes. I'm using the Rimmel London Scandalise Extreme Mascara, and I'm applying that to both the top and lower lash line. If my lashes could just stay black, I would not even apply mascara. I think it's so annoying. But because I'm not wearing eyeliner and I want it to be black, we have to put mascara on. And the last step is the lashes. I'm using these Primark ones. I really don't know how to say it, so I'm gonna just show you which ones they are. And I'll leave it in the description as well. You know it's either gonna be these or the Glamify ones, so I just shuffle between the two until I find good ones again. What better ones? That's how you do it. I'm being brave again, guys. No liquid eyeliner. I'm growing up. Your little girl's growing up. I'm not even lying. Like, it feels not so unusual now when I don't wear it. I don't know why I always feel like every look needs eyeliner. Why? Why, Maureen? Plus, I also understand that people don't always want to wear lashes. I mean, they don't always want to wear mascara. Can you speak? Plus, I understand that people don't always want to wear... Am I okay? People don't always want to wear liquid eyeliner. So that's the finished look, guys. Even if it gave you the tiniest little bit of inspiration, I'll be glad. I'll be happy. I'll be satisfied. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do like, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and share with everybody that breathes, even those... No, okay, no, let me not finish that sentence. Do share the video with everybody. Share it on everything imaginable. Thank you very much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.